In this video, I will show you how to fix the Snapchat support code SS06. This error usually appears when Snapchat has banned your device due to abuse or repeated violations of Snapchat's community guidelines. But don't worry, you can fix it by following these steps. Step 1. Update Snapchat. Make sure your Snapchat app is up to date. Go to the App Store on your iPhone or the Play Store on your Android phone, search for Snapchat, and tap Update if it's available. Step 2. Clear cache. This won't delete your memories or data. Step 3. Reinstall Snapchat. Uninstall the Snapchat app, then go back to the App Store or Play Store, search for Snapchat, and reinstall it. This gives you a fresh start and can resolve hidden issues. Step 4. Try logging in from another device. Take another phone and try logging in there, or visit the Snapchat web page and log in from your browser. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.